So here we have the next project, a 2011 British Racing Green MiniCooperS. As you can see from the rear end, this is not where the majority of the damage is at all. Broken rear wiper, have some mold and mildew going up there. Sadly, boot does not open. And here in the UK, we don't have the emergency release switch on this model. The exhaust, beautiful, honestly. Center exhaust just perfect. As we move round, not much damage here. The rear alloy is looking in alright condition. I have to take the wheel off the seat, but it seems to be holding there. You can see this is where the majority of the damage was. The fender is completely crumpled, as well as the bonnet. Seems like it was pushed into the door a little bit. Some paint peeling right there. However, the door does open and close fine. Just go around further to the front. See, this is where the majority of the damage was. Let me give you a look under the hood. So you can see there was a large amount of damage done. The radiator is completely gone. The liner on the back being completely gone. Sorry for all the noise. Cable connected to the head wire, don't need to change that. Wiring seems in alright condition. As you can see, the mount completely broken. The engine does run alright, but there's no coolant at the moment. Looks like the covers for the batteries are gone. But yeah, the damage is quite bad, but it's not unfixable. And luckily, as we'll see inside in a second, no airbags were deployed. Let me put the hood back down and take you guys inside. As you can see, we've got the automatic model here, paddles on the wheels, forwards and backwards, gear lever, still in park right now. As you can see, looks like the mirror was stolen. Some chewing gum in here, might have to try that. Oh, empty. Yeah, overall the interior is in alright condition, but when we take a look in the passenger seat, there's some mold growing all over the seat, so it's definitely going to need to be replaced. As I said earlier, no airbags were deployed, which is a good sign. Just a quick interior shots. So yeah, here we have our next project. So now, as you can see, we've swapped out the boot release handle, fully functioning again, looking brand new. And now we can finally see inside the boot. It's a bit dirty, but no rear end damage, so perfectly intact. Honestly, the blue looks better than the green.